Okay, guys, there is a new update in Gorilla Tag. So, let me check it out. Rainy day. Cosmetics are back. Jump in and let the world see your cute rainy fashion. Stay, stay dry. Stay and have a blast with our items will last forever. Those items. Let's go check it out.
No, we've been waiting for ages. What do you mean they just handed these?
Wait, let me see this.
Wait, they just had it?
Okay. Well, let's go check it out. Ooh. As you know, and my shiny rocks, it's 800. It's just because I spend them all of a miner hat. Okay, so time to check all these cosmetics. Let me take off the hat. 1 second. Number one, this. Oh, let me. Wow. Number two, the Aggie. Wait. Okay. Number three, the hat. Also, I look like somebody goofing around like this. Ooh. So wait. You can use this and hat in this. Oh my god, I look like a super goofy. Okay, take these off. Two, the boots. What's my boots? It will be so cool if they added the boots on your hand. You can do this. Look. Number three, the golden boots. Just like that, I look like a guy that is so rich. Like this, look. Oh, I'm so rich. I got the thing. I got this, the cloud boots. Can use this now. Look on my umbrella. Wait, 1 second. Let's look at this umbrella. I look like a guy trying to offend other people. Like this, look. So here's this. As in my opinion, it looks like you can see city. Let me see if I can find myself in here. And last one, DC. Oh, one second. The rainbow umbrella. Like this. Look, like this. Oh my God, they might be having stuff. Give me. That's how it. So, we need to equip these back. Not paying for that. Let's go check the other maps. Clouds. I was playing on it after I didn't know this. I know this. Canyons. I know this. How about caves? Okay, it's blocked off. Just like after the beach update just came. Maybe the beach update is good. Like and subscribe. Or else this monkey will come after you. Bye. Look at this. Look at this. Enjoy.